Have you ever heard the phrase, you are what you eat? Well, it's true. Mr. D here from PE Buddy. Welcome to a brand new online course focused on nutrition. Every part of you is made up of the food that you've eaten throughout your life, and everything that your body is able to do is fueled by this food, building muscle, playing sport, running. So what's the secret? What foods should you eat to improve, to think better, to run faster, to build muscle, to recover faster? And where can you find these foods? And does it matter how the food comes, natural or packaged? Well, all these questions plus more will be answered in this online course. There are three main sections: macronutrients, micronutrients, and supplements. Each section is highly interactive, video-based, and includes quizzes. This can be done self-paced, from home, and in your own time. So sign up today and learn the secrets to nutrition. And as a thank you for watching this video, you can get this course absolutely free. The first 100 people that use the discount code in the comments below will save $29.99 and get this course for free. And while you're at it, check out my other courses. All are highly rated on biomechanics, anatomy, and Year 12 exam preparation. Thanks everybody, and enjoy!